travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you
Hi Gorgies and Gents, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your uncle, your aunt, your niece, your nephew, your grandma, your grandpa. I hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to yet another vlog. Today we are traveling. Well, this weekend we are traveling, and obviously you guys are coming with me. We are doing the most. Super excited. We just arrived at our destination, so you guys would have seen the clips of us actually coming to where we are, and we've officially arrived at De Hoop Nature Reserve. Super excited. My name is on the door. Madikiza. So yeah, we arrived. I just got into my room. My suite is the Fig Tree Suite, and I'm about to give you guys a nice tour before I mess everything up. But first things first, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please do press that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video and do comment down below with some things that you like about this place, about the video, what you enjoyed. And if you're an OG Gorgie, a returning subby, thank you so much for your support. I truly appreciate it. Okay, let's do a room tour. So I just finished taking a shower and now I'm headed off to dinner. I'm actually late because we spent some time chatting, having coffee, so I'm a little bit late for dinner, but I'm headed off to dinner now. I think it's like 7:15. Dinner started at 7. But yeah, I just finished showering, getting into comfortable clothes. We're having dinner at the Boma, which is super exciting. So we're having like a little boiki that they've prepared for us. So yeah, let's go and enjoy. First day, couple of hours of being here and already feeling so peaceful. I love it. Hey guys, so I'm back in my room and I'm about to call it a night. We've had such a lovely evening, lovely day, lovely first day. I love this place so much already. We're basically on a digital detox because there's no network in my bedroom. There's no network anywhere around our bedrooms. There's only network in the restaurant. So we're on a digital detox, and you know what? I love it for myself. So I can't even post my content real time, which is exciting because that's something that I always strive to do. But I think this experience is showing me that like I can do things differently and it will still work out well. So yeah, I'm really excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going hiking. Yeah. Tomorrow we're going hiking, and then we're coming back, and then we're having a free afternoon, and then we have plans for later on in the day. We're doing a cruise. Can't wait for you guys to see all of that. I'm gonna just start packing my bag that I'm gonna be taking with me on the hike, just to make sure that I have everything that I will need. We're leaving around 9 a.m. but we have to meet at the restaurant around 7:45, 8 o'clock for breakfast, for those of us who are going to be having some breakfast tomorrow. The others are actually walking and we're going to meet them on the way. I don't think I'm going to participate in that, but yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed day one. It's been exciting, it's been interesting, it's been fun, and I can't wait to show and share with you guys the rest of our stay, which promises to be exquisite. Honestly, after this day I'm convinced like this is the kind of trip I needed, and these are the kind of trips that I want to be doing going forward as well. But yeah, from me, it's good night and love you loads. Good morning, Gorgies and Gents. It's day 2 at De Whoop Nature Reserve, and the time is 25 to 8. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go to the dining area for breakfast, and then after breakfast we're going hiking, a 40-minute steep hike apparently. I don't know why we're putting ourselves through all that pain, but I'm looking forward to it. Again, ready, looking cute. I actually was up at 4:30, which is annoying. My body clock is really annoying me. I was up at 4:30 and then I couldn't sleep, so I started like editing videos. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure when we come back from the hike I'm gonna be needing a nap. Let me show you what I'm wearing. I did show you this set when I was at home in the previous vlog. So yeah, this is the set. It's got a pocket here for my phone. And this is, you can zip this. I'm gonna put on my sweat belt, but I'll put it on later. So I just put it in my backpack that I'm gonna be carrying. Then I'll put on my sweat belt later because I want to sweat while we're going there. I'm using it as an exercise. I mean, it is an exercise. I'm using it as part of my new exercise routine. So yeah, that's basically everything that we're doing this morning. Then when we come back from the hike, we just have a free morning, a free afternoon to do whatever we want. So that obviously is going to include the pool because today looks like it's going to be nice and sunny. And then we have a cruise later on, which I'm really excited about. And then we have dinner. So it's going to be a full day of activities. Awesome. Looking forward to it. So yeah, let's get going to breakfast. And then yeah, I'll chat to you guys when we are off to our hike.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. Okay, hi. What do you call your subbies?
You ask me that every single time you're on this vlog. Gorgies.
I have a memory of a fish bowl.
Fish bowl. Fish bowl. Or a fish.
Leo. On a hike trail. Yeah, in the boondoos. It is, what time is it now?
It's late.
10 a.m.
Can't believe we're only starting at 10.
See vultures.
Yeah, we're off to see vultures, guys.
Same no.
Buy a donkey, may scattable. So yeah, we're off, we're hiking, off to see some vultures.
Yeah.
Pray for my knees, guys. Pray for my knees.
A few hours later.
Guys, bensiyaphi. Ndiyafa sana. Le game. Yo. It's dizzy. On her way. She's so fast though. It's so steep, guys. But you know what? I will thank myself for it tomorrow. Well, even today. Huh? It's fine. Whew. Let me have some water, cha. Let me show you what I still need to go up. Yo, once I was not hit. I'm still going up here. And I'm pretty sure when we get to the top there, there's still more to go. Hey, ngashona bakithi. Look where Suka Khona. Oh, friend, you find me here. Welcome to the party.
Thank you.
Hi, Jonga, party of hell, son. But you know what I was saying? We're gonna thank ourselves for it.
Yeah. And it's pretty, and thank God for the wind. Otherwise,
Yeah, otherwise if it was like completely sunny, we'd be dying. Okay, let me get a water break. See you guys in a bit.
I was yours for the taking. Guess I needed a home, but if I'm not mistaken, you were good on your own. And I know.
So guys, we're going down now. The one thing I hate more than going up a mountain is coming down a mountain. So yeah, we had a little bit of a picnic lunch at the top of the mountain. We chilled and watched the vultures. Some of them came out to play. It was nice. So now we're going down. Then we're gonna have a few hours of leisure.
Can't wait for the leisure.
Yeah. can't wait either. So we're just gonna be chilling by the pool, you know, taking naps, doing the most, or rather doing the least. So yeah, we'll see you when we get there. From your fitness bunny.
I was young and broken when I met you.
Hey guys, I hope you can hear me. It's quite windy and I'm standing by the door because it's hot inside this house. I just oiled myself up. I just took a shower, oiled myself up and got cute. I'm wearing a bikini underneath and I'm wearing this dress. I'll show you just now. I'm just making myself a cup of tea. Then at 2 o'clock, Zaki and I are gonna go to the pool and go take some pictures by the pool, chill, relax, and then we're obviously gonna come back because we'll have more leisure time until 6 o'clock when we're all meeting to go on the yacht ride. Yeah, look at me looking all glazed and glowing and happy. Cute son. Cute no. Okay, so let me show you my dress. This is the dress. This dress is from, where is it from? Foschini. It's from Foschini. So, and I'm wearing it with some sandals. These sandals are from Woolworths. You guys saw when I did the little bit of a haul. I want to make myself a cup of tea. I've really been wanting some rooibos, so I'm just gonna put the kettle on there and make myself a cup of tea, and then we'll head out to the pool area. I'll see you then. So I am in Zaki's room, well, Zaki's house, because she's living in a 3-bedroom house. Where's your housemate?
She's going to write.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so we're traveling with journalists as well, guys. Travel journalists. So most of them, obviously writers. So they took breaks to like go write and do their stuff. Let me show you a little bit of Zaki's room. It's a bit messy, Kesan.
So
So this is her room. Over there, there's a bedroom and a bathroom that side, another bedroom, and then there's another bedroom there, and I think there's a lounge area and a dining area. Like, it's so big. And then this is her room. She's already unpacked. Yasmin, I didn't really unpack. And there's a bed over here. Yeah, I need to ask for an iron. I need to ask for an iron for today's yacht cruise. Well, boat cruise, yacht cruise. Laundry.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go?
Woo!
also you look nice. Hi guys. The lighting is nice.
Kumandian.
Yes, do like Himalayan. To the delicious catch me.
Okay, girl. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you gonna grab a towel?
I'm gonna, cause it's cold, man.
Are you gonna get into the pool?
Yeah, put my feet.
Just your feet for aesthetics. Okay, guys, we're gonna go to the pool now. Huh? I took one of those other towels. I should have taken that one actually from the bathroom because it's much bigger. From my room, yeah.
Oh, you have that. I don't have that.
In the cupboard. Oh, I need those big ones. I forgot. Okay, guys, we're going to the pool.
Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you know it's true. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me
We are officially about to be off on our boat ride. Let's go.
Fascinating. Like I was watching you when you're taking selfies. So your face is normal, resting face, and then you check the, and it's like amazing. Thank you.
Hey guys, so I'm back in my room. I'm so exhausted. I am so exhausted. We just came back from dinner, which was really good. We had a 3-course dinner, 3-course meal. Stunning. Loved absolutely everything. And then what else did we do? There's a bug. There's a bug in my bed. Okie dokes, sorted that out. It's gone. Anyway, so I just got back to my room. Like I said, it's been a really full, fun, exciting, adventurous day. And my body is saying, girl, I need you to sleep. I need you to sleep, child. Also, we have a very early morning tomorrow. We all have to meet at about 5:45 in the morning. So yeah, getting an early night rest today. I'm about to jump into the bath. I want to run myself a nice long bath. Literally been looking forward to this the whole day. We're gonna add some bath salts in there and soak ourselves for at least an hour, and then I'll go to bed. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's activities. Tomorrow is going to be another jam-packed day, so I'm quite excited. I'm looking forward to it. And yeah, let me get my soaking and my pampering on, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's day 3 and we're up bright and early. We are meeting at 5:45, so I'm outside already ready. We're about to get into the game drive car, so we had to dress extra warm today because we are going to be in an open vehicle, and we're going for a marine walk. Good morning. Awesome.
I'm gonna have to sell for a bit because I want a nice picture by Rose.
No, as in like in the car.
I have this jacket. There's nothing else I can do. Don't they have blankets in there?
They probably do. Good morning.
Morning,
Zaki's
guys.
up.
It's so early.
It's very
I'm
early.
half asleep. What time
Really?
did you wake up?
This is my usual time, but when I set an alarm, I literally will wake up earlier all the time, so I kept going back to sleep and waking up and going back to sleep.
Imagine.
So I didn't really have the best rest, but I feel refreshed.
I'm worse. I had to put like 6 alarms just to get up.
I feel refreshed though, because I took a long bath last night.
Ne? And you
And I went
said
to
way before
bed.
me. I sat there and I was on the Wi-Fi like.
I
been
realized
till,
that
like,
my
9.
network actually works outside my door. So every time I wanted to send a message, I had to open the door and
then
like
go there.
swing the phone outside.
Digital detox, what I do. Morning.
How you
It really is a digital detox. Yeah, so we're off to the marine walk. We're going to be exploring the marine life in De Hoop. And you guys are obviously coming with. So yeah, let's go. Glambi layers. I think they said they were going to have rusks and coffee.
I doubt it.
Yeah.
Perhaps they're going to have them on the drive, or are they going to have them here at reception?
We're gonna have him right there.
Okay.
I think so.
Yeah, okay. Oh, here's Alexis. Alexis changed her hair today, or is it me? It looks so nice. It looks like mine. It's the hair I'm going to be wearing today. Yeah. Good morning. There's nothing I dislike more than having to walk on sand. So I can't wait to get to the bottom and at least walk on the rocks. Look at those two up there busy taking pictures. It's Sagi and Alexis. Instagram influencers. Guys, so I'm walking up because I'm tired, so I don't want to be down there anymore, so I'm just walking to the car. Also, it's quite hot and I'm looking at these sand dunes. You know how you always like see these videos or movies of people that are in the desert and they're thirsty and they're dying and it's hot? I feel like I'm in a movie right now. I feel like I'm in that movie in this moment. It's so hot. Yeah, also I'm so tired. This has been a 3-day leg workout, I swear. But everything has been so worth it. Look at those views. It has been absolutely worth it. Love it. From the marine walk and we're about to have some breakfast, and then the plan for the day is breakfast, shower, chill by the pool, have lunch by the pool, sleep by the pool, and then yeah, so we have a free day today, and then we have our last dinner later on, so we're gonna dress up and look cute. Yeah, the girls are all tired and hungry. Everyone is hangry. Hangry.
Angry, very angry.
Hey guys, so I'm looking cute today because tonight is our last night at Doop. So I was just like, let me put on some makeup, put on some lashes, look cute, and go to dinner. Ooh, that's sun. So yeah, I'm headed off to dinner, and we decided to do like pre-drinks by the pool. So I'm hoping the ladies are already there because everyone said 6 o'clock, and right now it's 6:05. So I am actually late. But yeah, I can't believe this trip is coming to an end. Oh my word, it's been so good. Spent the day at the pool or by the pool today. We came back from our walk, had breakfast, and then we went straight to the pool, chilled, took some pictures, had a few drinks, and then we all went back to our rooms to take a quick nap and get ready for our now dinner. And this is our final dinner. Time flies, Betun. Time flies. But yeah, let's go to dinner. And yeah, we'll talk then. Bye. So this is my starter, guys. I'm having an apple and sweet potato soup, and this is Jen's starter. She's having a chickpea what? Risoli.
Cheesy chickpea risole with aioli.
Ooh. Sounds delicious, looks delicious. We have to taste and see if it is delicious. And we are enjoying a bottle of Cab Sav. It's called Le Riche. And guys, how awesome is the fact that it is a 2014 Cab Sav. It is so smooth, so delicious. Yeah, let's eat. Hey guys, so we are done with dinner. Literally just took off my makeup, got into my PJs, and I'm having some rooibos tea. And we decided to have an impromptu sleepover. So yeah, you need to charge.
No, it's on like 80. It's a fast charger. It will charge
Oh
fast.
yeah, it will.
Yeah.
Let me switch on the lamp for you. Anyway, so yeah, guys, we're about to sleep. We're just chilling, nothing much. We've had such a full day. Sorry?
Must I turn off the light? This one?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
We've had such a full day. Such a nice day, actually. Quite chilled. Very good for the last day because we got to chill by the pool, relax, not do much. Really a good last day. And now just winding down with some tea.
It was so nice, guys.
Yeah.
It was so refreshing. She had a pool day.
I did, and I shot some content.
It was so nice. And the dinner and the food, everything was so
Yo, the
nice.
food was so delicious.
It was good. What did you pick?
That wine, I chose the cob, and then
nice.
I had the, what did I have as my starter? The soup.
Oh yeah, I also chose
Yeah.
the soup. I chose
That was good.
ostrich.
Ostrich.
Yeah.
I tasted some from Renee.
It honestly tastes
Sorry,
like
from
beef.
From Di.
You don't
It
think
tasted
tastes
like beef, yeah.
Yeah, it tastes like beef. It's just softer.
But the thought that it's ostrich was the one that was killing me.
And also we had beef yesterday. You
Yeah,
understand?
so
It's like
that's why I
beef
was
and
like,
then
I want to have cob.
again,
Yeah.
I get that.
But anyway, guys, that is it for today. We'll see you again bright and early tomorrow. We're doing our last activity, then headed back to Cape Town. So, yeah.
Yep.
Good night.
Good night. Ciao, ciao.
Good morning, Gorgies and Gents. Today is Monday, and it's our last day on the nature reserve at Doop. So I'm headed off to breakfast. The time is 7:30. I'm headed off to breakfast. After breakfast, they're gonna do a site inspection, and then afterwards we will be heading to Stanford, yeah, because we're doing a cruise on the Stanford. So that's gonna be cute. I'm wearing my white dress so that I can maybe get some cute pictures on the cruise. My skin feels so dry. I think it feels dry around here. I think I'm gonna be peeling soon. So irritating, but okay, what can we do? The ladies are already here. Let's go in and join them. Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
And then wrap the boxes. Okay, fair enough. Yeah.
It's so good.
We also the one that included
Oh, my bad.
the family.
Out here. Yeah.
So when you put on the box, the one we when it starts, way back in the day.
I'm telling you.
And
not lying.
it was literally, they wanted a toothbrush, a face soap, a face cloth. Something else.
No, it's okay. It's there.
The bee. No, but it took a while. Just don't.
And it evolved from there.
Okay.
So in the
That's
beginning,
it,
that
still.
was very much practical.
Yes,
stuff.
okay. And now
Okay,
it's
it's gone.
Yeah.
to something.
So we used
It's
to go
gone.
like this places
I think it's on me now.
called Paramarket. And
It's back.
And I tell you what else.
Yeah,
Definitely
at
something
300
that
rand, we'll
side.
gift 100 people a delicious meal and cookies at Christmas time.
I'm afraid.
Okay, I'll put it on the group.
mentioned Santa's shoebox while you were on this.
No, we were just
Is it on my off?
Yeah, that's another one.
Let me stop recording because wow. So we're having breakfast, guys, and I'm sure you just saw the clip where the bee was on me. Oh, my skin is so tight, guys. I wish I'd brought my Vaseline. I left it in the room.
Morning.
Good morning.
I've got one as well.
Morning, Clint. Clint, may we have a photograph of you just now?
One thing about me, kesana ndimhle.
Morning. Can you have a photo
Iskin
of you
si
just now?
tight sinjalo ndidinwe ndinjalo but ndimhle, guys. Niyanibona mos na.
No.
Cheers, kesana.
My dating now.
Uvuke ngabani ixesha namhlanje for i-face beat.
Face beat every day, Galopsa.
Uvuke ngabani ixesha namhlanje for umama face beat.
5 o'clock.
Yo,
2 hours before I came for breakfast.
ngenawo amandla. I just wanted more sleep, so ndivuke ngo-6:30 mna today. Well, this is a little bit irritating.
Perfect.
Cela niphi bacon.
Nope.
Cela niphi sausage.
Nope.
Kancinci.
Can I order bacon and sausage for you?
Ndifuna ezakho.
Still distracted. Omelette.
Am I distracted?
Ngafuna umphako ezakho.
Because Choma, it needs to buy kitchen.
Yeah, except
Ndifuna
I
le
don't
yakho.
Oh, no problem.
Ndifuna ipiece yesausage yakho nepiece yebacon.
It's yours. Bacon, mushroom and cheese.
It ain't happening.
Mushroom and cheese.
Yes.
Where something like Ava was like,
Okay, bacon, I don't mind.
Sandy bacon.
yeah, and strawberries. I mean, they are like way.
What did you order?
Oh, they actually put a lot of bacon today.
200 and 100 on that scale.
Thank you. Wena, undiphe. Tulusana lakho kaloku ngoku.
I don't
I
know.
want to travel the world.
And other trips that are coming up.
I'm your little baby. So, you must give me food.
Not telling you. You
You
must.
must.
So we need to proceed
For you
to
little
March.
baby.
We need to
Eh?
say?
Hey guys, so we are on the Lady Stanford, looking like the Stanford housewives.
Jonathan, it's the real girlfriends.
The real girlfriends of South Africa.
Yay! Champagne and chicken.
So we're cruising, guys. We're cruising nicely. Lonto iyo, guys, niyayazi. Anyway, so we're on the Lady Stanford. and we're just having a nice cruise with a little bit of brunch and bubbles.
Kodwa sikwazi uqubha kodwa ke.
Uzoqophela ntoni sana kule river?
Ayikho ngingawazi.
What if unobakho crocodile apho?
He's a god.
Oqala ngabani? Angizodayiva lokhu ngapha. Yoqala ngalo muntu otsibileyo. Oqala ngomuntu otsibileyo. Azinhle ipictures ezizithathileyo pha phezulu nje uliwe kuhlala apha. Asoze kaloku. Kangufune ndikucelile. Kangufune uthe kuba nanku utsaki. Uthe nanku hayi ke.
Indlela obama ngayo iyantuka grudges. Ingathi inyongo ebusenyongo. Wena mama grudges.
Ngizathi ngayibani.
Grudges kangaka.
Ngayibani. Bambe ntoni? Bambe ntoni? Andibambanga grudge, but I'm just saying bana soze kaloku not wena lo bungafuni.
Mna kaloku benidiscussion noKhanyi notsaki.
Masambe kaloku siye. Yhu. Handiyakaba. Yabo benzawufika ku-point uba ndimasambe sipha tona so ngicela uba ndiwave ii-grudges.
Akhanyi
So ndidisa ngoku.
uqale ngoni mama grudges
Uyi-enemy yam ngoku.
ngesausage. Mama grudges.
Theni bungafuni ndisausage. Theni wena bungafuni undipha ibacon nesausage. Theni bungafuni undipha ibacon yakho nesausage yakho. Ndifuna le yakho. Anyway guys, never mind all this banter. Let me show you how we are cruising, and maybe I'll take you on a tour of the boats.
Take a picture of me.
So we have some food over there, drinks over there, and the captain as well as the owner of the whip. This is the food that we have. We have like some nice salads. This is some salmon or trout. Is it salmon or trout? Salmon, and you know, some mixes in there for anyone who wanted some nibbles. These are the ladies, and this is where we're cruising, guys. It is so absolutely stunning. It's breathtaking, honestly. Do you see that? Just quiet. We have great weather today, which is really awesome. Yeah, just peaceful. We're having a lot of fun. And now let's go upstairs, take pictures of Alexis. Woo! As in, I've shown us these pictures. And then over here is where you would go upstairs. So let's go. As we go up the stairs, we go. Oh, how stunning. I'm finally home, guys. Back to load shedding. But anyway, so this is the end of the vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed traveling to the Whip with me, and I hope you guys will book and go, you know, experience the Western Cape. It's about 3 hours away from Cape Town. I think I did mention that. It's a lovely place, honestly, and a well-deserved trip, a well-deserved digital detox. That was really nice, and just traveling with some awesome people, having a very chilled vibe, and everyone just getting along. It was so nice. It was awesome. It was the best trip ever. And yeah, I hope you guys also enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content, more travel, more inspo. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again in my next video.